Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your forgotten password on Spotify, which means how to recover your Spotify account. For this, open up your browser and search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, first option Spotify web player, click on it. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page. Over here at the top right corner, click on the three dots and then click on where it says login. From over here, you need to enter your account details. So since we don't remember our password, we need to click on forgot your password at the bottom. And over here, you need to enter your email address. Whichever email address you used when you created your Spotify account, enter that over here. And then you want to click on send. And then a verification link is going to be sent to your mail. So go open your mail. And over here, as you guys can see, Spotify has sent me this reset link. Now I need to click on reset password. From over here, I will choose Chrome. And then it's going to take me to my password changing place. Over here, I need to enter the new password of my account and enter the new password again to confirm it and click on send. Once I do that, my password will be changed. So that is how we guys can reset forgotten Spotify password. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.